While trying to keep up with technology and all the changes in social media, SEO, AI, and machine learning, I am reminded of one of my dad's stories. In addition to being the most amazing father, grandfather, and husband, he was a storyteller and a business executive with a knack for making people laugh. After his passing, I compiled his stories into a book, From Self-Proclaimed Nerd to Accomplished Executive to Befuddled Snowbird, a title that defied SEO logic but honored his legacy. Before sharing his story, let's discuss how to keep up with technology for those involved in digital marketing today. The social media realm is a constantly shifting landscape. Understanding algorithm changes and adapting engagement strategies is key to staying ahead. It's not just about keeping up. It's about leveraging these changes to maintain relevance and connection in an ever-evolving digital world. Algorithms dictate our online visibility, and staying informed is crucial. Tips for aligning with algorithm updates include creating resonant content, embracing video, and keeping up with trends. Monitoring analytics and adapting insights-based strategies are essential for optimizing content and staying ahead. Engagement is the heart of a strong online presence. Prompt responses, interactive sessions, and user-generated content foster a vibrant community. We can innovate and maintain a dynamic and interactive social media presence by studying successful campaigns. Continuous learning and embracing new technologies are non-negotiable for thriving in the digital age. Online courses, podcasts, and experimentation with new tools are ways to keep skills fresh and doors open. Staying relevant means being proactive and adaptable to change. Back to my dad's story, those pesky electrons. It is a tale about the bewildering yet fascinating journey from the introduction of TVs and VCRs to the era of cell phones and beyond. Through his eyes, you will explore the quirks and wonders of keeping up with technology, reminding us that while the pace of change can be daunting, it makes the digital world so exciting. It's also a reminder that while the pace of technology can be dizzying, the excitement of innovation keeps us engaged and always learning. Visit newhorizons123.com to read his story.